Welcome to our world of adventure and discovery. Join us as we explore some of the most breathtaking destinations on Earth. Hi, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the 7 most important things you should do before traveling. Whether you're going on a short trip or a long journey, these tips will help you have a smooth and stress-free experience. Plan your itinerary. This includes figuring out what you want to see and do, booking your transportation, and making reservations for accommodations and activities. Having a solid plan in place will make your trip much more enjoyable. Get all the necessary documents in order. This includes your passport or ID, visa if required, and any travel insurance. Make sure these are up to date and easily accessible. Pack wisely. Research the weather and cultural norms of your destination, and bring appropriate clothing and gear. Make sure you also have any necessary medications and personal items, such as a toothbrush or charger. Notify your bank and credit card companies. Let them know you will be traveling so they don't freeze your accounts due to unusual activity. It's also a good idea to have multiple payment options, such as cash, debit card, and credit card. Get familiar with local customs and laws. Respect local traditions and be mindful of laws, such as laws around drinking or drug use, which may be different from your home country. Make a list of emergency contacts. Include important numbers, such as your embassy or local hospital, as well as a trusted friend or family member back home. Have a backup plan. It's always a good idea to have a backup plan for unexpected events, such as flight cancellations or lost luggage. This can include having extra funds, travel insurance, and contacts for local hotels and transportation providers. So there you have it, the 7 most important things you should do before traveling. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to having a safe, enjoyable, and unforgettable trip. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and advice.